Hello everyone, I Dr. Amit Kumar, Faculty of Management Studies from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on roles of NSIC in economic development. National Small Industries Corporation is an ISO certified Government of India enterprise under Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. NSIC has been working to promote, aid and foster the growth of micro, small and medium enterprises in the country. NSIC operates through countrywide network of facilitation and technical centers in the country. In addition, NSIC has established many training cum incubation center managed by professional manpower. The roles of NSIC can be elucidated as follows. Marketing intelligence. To collect and spread both domestic as well as international marketing intelligence for the benefit of MSMEs, in addition to spreading awareness about various programs or schemes for MSMEs. Exhibitions and technology fairs. To showcase the capabilities of Indian small-scale industries and to capture market opportunities, NSIC participates in select international and national exhibitions and trade fairs every year. NSIC facilitates the participation of the small enterprises by providing concessions in rental, etc. Participation in these events exposes small-scale industrial units to international practices and enhances their business prowess. Next, buyer-seller meets. Institutional buyers such as the railways, defense, public work departments and large enterprises are invited to participate in buyer-seller meets to enhance small enterprises' knowledge regarding terms and conditions, quality standards, etc. required by the buyers. These programs are aimed at vendor development from MSMEs for the bulk manufacturers. Next is credit support. NSIC facilitates credit requirements of small enterprises in the following areas. Financing for procurement of raw material in short term. NSIC's raw material assistance scheme aims at helping small enterprises by way of financing the purchase of raw material, both indigenous and imported, within the following policy network. Financial assistance for procurement of raw material up to 90 days. Bulk purchase of basic raw materials at competitive rates. NSIC takes care of all the procedures, documentation and issue of letter of credit in case of import. In order to ensure smooth credit flow to small enterprises, NSIC maintains alliances with commercial banks to facilitate long-term or working capital financing of the small enterprises across the country. Technological support. Technology is the key in enhancing a company's competitive advantage in today's dynamic information age. Small enterprises need to develop and implement a technology strategy in addition to financial, marketing and operational strategies and adopt the one that helps integrate their operations with their environment, customers and suppliers. NSIC offers small enterprises the following support services through its technical services centers and extension centers. Advice on application of new techniques, material testing facilities through accredited laboratories. Next is helping with product design. It provides facility support in machinery, hire purchasing, etc. Energy and environment services at selected centers like NOC from competent authorities. Classroom and practical training for skill upgradation, etc. So I hope you must have understood the topic roles of NSIC in economic development. Thank you very much.